Download and install the bot. If it is detected as a virus, you need to turn off your virus protection.
Enter your username and password.
You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions.
NFTs that were previously sold well below market.
As long as you're trying to make it, there's no way that you make it. And maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it.
Log into the account where you will run the bot and perform the actions in the video.
Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that.
In the window that opens, right-click and click Inspect.
Oh, will you fucking fight back?
Copy the text opposite token underscore id and paste it where it says wax cookie.
Oh, will you fucking fight back?
Search the market for the NFT you want to buy.
Gonna break it, you can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore.
Check listings, newest, and no bundle listings required. Then copy the URL and paste it into the URL.
Enter the maximum price you want to buy.
Start the bot. You will not have access to the bot. You can see what it's doing by hovering the mouse over the Google desktop icon.
Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
The bot's page refresh rate will vary depending on your internet and computer.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack.
The time NFT appears in the market varies according to the density of atomic hub. Visible to everyone at the same time. With an average internet and computer, you can refresh a page every 3 seconds and buy NFT in 4 seconds with a purchase of 1 second, may vary.
Don't you come back.
Stop the bot by closing the black panel. Turn off the pop-up alert. If this warning comes without stopping the bot and the bot stops, restart the bot. If it gives the same warning again, contact me.
You can run the bot more than one time by entering different URL and price. In the purchase_history document in the Flushub auto file,
the name, price and time of the NFTs you purchased are written, after the bot is completely turned off. You can delete the bot by running the uninstall.exe inside the Flushub file. Note: do not change the location of the file. Do not contact or buy anyone other than these. No responsibility is accepted.